Gundam Astray Red Frame build. Episode 4. Radar Unit 04-2. Party line D24 and D25. Clip.
Hey there everyone. Welcome to, or welcome back to the Gundam Astray Red Frame build. Episode 4. So, what are we working on right now? Right now, it's the right arm. Unit 04-2. Anyway, there are a bunch of parts I'm going to clip out all at once here from the sprue, the E and D sprues, the red plastic.
Radar Unit 04-2. Part D24. Remove excess material.
So I'm going to include this part right here. If you're interested, you know that this is my first Gundam build, Gunpla build. So I didn't know the best techniques, but after doing a little more research, I found my whittling technique is not really the best. So this works. So basically take your little piece of plastic that you want to cut the excess thing left over from the sprue, put it flat on your cutting surface, and I'm doing it on the edge of a table so I can get it nice and flat, so when I cut down with that sharp knife, it cleans it off pretty cleanly in one quick, and it's safe, and I'm not going to cut myself. That very sharp knife I just bought. Well, yeah, that's it. That's how it worked, and I've been noticing that's pretty much the best way for me anyway to cut it, clean it, and no sanding, and yeah, don't mess around with it too much. That's about the best I could get it. Maybe others have better techniques. If I find them, look for them.
Radar Unit 04-2. Party line. Remove excess material.
So just to show a little bit more here, it's if you have an odd shaped piece, you can't get. Just hold it as best you can, and then there. The reason you do it close to the cutting surface is so that it's controlled.
Radar Unit 04-2. Part B9. Bend 90 degrees. Radar Unit 04-2. Party line. Assemble to 04-1.
So that part is just a little cover piece, the shoulder, but snap. Yes, snap together. Well, yeah, you gotta clean that plastic up.
Radar Unit 04-2. Part D25. Assemble to 04-1.
So all of these parts just kind of fit together, and
Radar Unit 04-2. Part D24.
snap together.
Assemble to 04-1.
But there are little tiny guides, pins, I guess, and sockets. When you put it together, it pretty much fits only one way. So, and the pictures help.
Part D21 and A4.
Pictures, and I mean, they're not Japanese characters. What are they? They're Arabic characters. 21. D21. Anyway, Here's a nice little small part. We'll, and some white plastic part. A4, I do believe. And nice detail. Like this part. If you can like any part more than any other, but as they say, the whole is more than the sum of its parts.
Ride Arm Unit 04-2. Part D21. Assemble to 04-1.
So that's a yeah, little locking.
04-2. Part A4. Assemble to 04-1.
That D21, I guess, prevents the hinged part, the elbow joint, from overextending. Is that what that part did? Anyway. Wow. Okay.
Wrong as usual. The United States' lack of action in Eastern Europe proves that the Soviet Union's aggression at the Afghan border will not be opposed publicly by the United States. Issue. The Soviet Union continued its recent series of military exercises.
Ride Arm Unit 04-2. Part E4A5 and D20. Identify.
As a result of the Soviet activity, the watchdog group of nuclear scientists.
Ride Arm Unit 04-2. Part E4A5 and D20. Clipped.
I'm still here. No, I'm still here. I'm just musing. Well, you know, I really liked that movie, Watchmen. Some didn't. No, they did not. Anyway. But like anything, there are some things I walk into, I just like because I just like, you know? I'm not a purist by any means. I know nothing about Gunpla. I know nothing about Gundam other than this kit I'm putting together, you know? I confess.
Ride Arm Unit 04-2. Part E4A5. Assemble to 04-1.
But heck no, that's not going to stop me from building this, from making this video. Wow. Revel in it. Look at that. Awesome piece of Gunpla. Look at that plastic. And no, I'm not being facetious. I do. No, this is cool. This is cool. I'm having a great time. And
Ride Arm Unit 04-2. Part D20. Assemble to 04-1.
okay, so that D20, D21. These are two little parts that kind of limit the range of movement of the elbow, I guess. Is that it? I mean, there's a part in the instruction manual which is all in Japanese with two pink drawings. Hee. Okay. There's the pink drawing. Well.
Ride Arm Unit 04-2. Part A3. Clipped.
A3 is the little white accent for the back of the hand. And this, I am going to go ahead and just use the hands that came with the B part. And I believe there is an option to
Ride
use
arm unit 04-2.
different hands
Part A3.
that work
Assemble to 04-1.
depending on what it is you're holding. A beam rifle, a Gerber katana samurai sword, the size of a football field. Anyway, scale is odd in the world of Gunpla, I realize. Which is cool. No, I realize now there are a lot of conventions, rules of the world of Gunpla that one can only discern by observation, questioning, reading. But no, scale is an odd thing. Yeah, these things are huge, and they show that little figure to give an idea, but
Left arm unit 05-1. Part B8. Clip.
scale is relative. And the size of something, says more about the scale of the observer. Okay, you think this little plastic model, the size that fits in your hand, yeah. Then if this thing is the size of a football field, you're huge. Anyway, the heck? Oh, where are we? We are working on the other arm here, I noticed. Sorry. All my blabbing there about scale. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
Left arm unit 05-1. Part E9 D24 and D25. Clip.
Blink. And more of these arm accents, of course, 24 and 25. You can see we've already cut them out for the other arm, and here we are cutting them out for the left arm unit 05-1. But
Left arm unit 05-1. Part E9. Assemble to part B8.
anyway. So this is the RG real grade kit, and this articulated skeleton is the factor.
Left arm unit 05-1. Part D24 and D25. Assemble to part B8.
Factors in its or features, features, one of its features of the real grade. But it being my first kit, I'll just take it for what it is. Cool. And 05-1 is now it. So I guess, I don't know if you noticed that it would be a convention.
Left arm unit 05-2. Part D21 and A4. Clip.
After you've assembled the thing, you'll call it by its part number. Anyway. The actual assembly of these things are fairly straightforward.
05-2. Assemble part D21 to 05-1. Left arm unit 05-2. Assemble part A4 to 05-1.
Ah, that's that satisfying click. Click, click, click. Put this thing together. Not sure if I'm going to build another one after this. Maybe.
Left arm unit 05-2.
Well, I guess since
RD4
I do have these fancy the Army Painter plastic clippers, should at least build another one, don't you think? I've seen a few. That, I mean, I haven't built an MG, is that it? Master grade? An HG, hobby grade? Anyway. There's a nice little part.
Left arm unit 05-2. Part D20. Clip.
Oh, deja vu. Was I just talking about these little parts that stop the arm from bending too much, too little? Oh, don't get bored, folks. Stand by. You know what? It's time for a break, you know. Let's take a look at some of this so interesting information about Gundam. It's cool. No, it's all cool. Stolen data. Natural use OS.
Left arm unit 05-2. Part D20. Assembled to 05-1.
Did you like that? Thank you, FX guy. Anyway, that's something cool to do, I thought. I don't know why I did that. 'Cause it's cool.
Left arm unit 05-2. Part D4 Assembled to 05-1.
Yeah, something about blowing stuff up. Ah ha ha. At least watching something get blown up. You're getting crushed by a hydraulic press, perhaps.
Left arm unit 05-2. Part 05-1. Reassemble.
I don't know. Did you catch a lot of that stuff on the reassemble? In the instruction manual, it's some strange symbols about options and whatnot. I believe it's in reference to the hand. Mr. Hand.
Left arm unit 05-2. Part A3. Clip.
There's lots of parts left over that you can pretty much figure that they're part of other gimmicks. Is that what they called it on the box? Anyway. Don't forget to check out all the gimmicks and innovations of the real grade. So again, ready for cleaning of the plastic.
Left arm unit 05-2.
Done.
Part A3.
And
Assembled to 05-1.
that's one weak part I noticed on the model is that, yeah, that thing just falls off all the time. Just, I don't know. Not enough ball in the ball joint. Or too much joint in
Upper
the...
body 06-1.
Anyway,
Part B5.
one of those loosey-gooseys. Oh, this is a cool part. Part B5. Well, this is the upper body 06. Yeah. This thing looks like a little robot in itself. Tiny little stubby arms. What detail. Now, still haven't really researched, and if anybody does know the answer to this question, to my query is, the red parts get assembled late after this white, after the white gets extruded on this sprue, right? They can't do both at this, not at the same time, but two molds? No. Just that's neat. Look at that. Anyway, that'll serve the basis or structure.
Upper body 06-1. Part D17. Clip.
And then you can just go ahead and clip out the add-ons.
Upper body 06-1, part D17, assembled to B5.
And that would be a nice little add-on
Upper
part.
body 06-1, part D5 and D6, clipped.
Oh, these things. They kind of baffled me at first. I wasn't quite sure how they worked. Just had to kind of go by the instruction manuals. Asked around what the deal was with these, but they're kind of like these loose
Upper body
shoulder
06-2,
parts
part
that
D5,
just kind of
assembled to 04.
float around at this point, but they do attach to the shoulder part here, and you can see how it all goes together. Anyway, you know what, guys? We are approaching the end of episode 4, so thank you for listening and watching, and I don't know, having a good time maybe, or not, but